Yeah. Morning. Sell stops now, buy stops later. All I care about is the buy to the US 31-hour blue line. That's where it's going. All indices, buy stop to the 1-hour blue line. Simple as that. Non-farm payroll at 8:30 today. They're going to turn it down and go up. We'll be ready for it. Make a whole bunch of more. Morning, Aussie trader. Morning, Ryan. Morning, Aussie trader. Morning, Mr. C. Morning, Ace Bullet. Morning, Fletch, number one, by the way. Aussie trader. I think you're one on TikTok. Morning, Alex. Good morning, everyone. I already lifted this morning. I'm already eating. It's going to be a glorious day, Lord willing. It's up to God, but I'm hoping it is. Looks like they're having some sunshine today. Mm-hmm. Good morning, Erica. Good morning, Guy Burger. Thank you, Mr. C, for being on TikTok and YouTube. Good morning. Good morning, Jacob. What's up, Jacob? Blue Tide Acrylics. Good morning, Henry Chastain. Morning, Henry. I don't know if I ever showed. I think I did show Blue Tide Acrylics for you. He makes the coolest, like signs, like neon signs.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Hey, Mr. C. Let me do something. Good morning, Larry. Morning, Ryan. Morning, Australia. Morning, Mr. C. Mr. C, do you manually tap TikTok for the likes? It looks like he has all those taps. Which I have, but I never used. I wish I could take off who's coming in. Mr. C. HJC. Mr. C. Why do I cannot stop the mute microphone, pause live settings, comment about me, contact us. Hear your voice, restart live ranking, comment settings, moderators. I don't care about any of that shit. I'm just trying to get it so I can see the comments only. Yeah, you do, Mr. C. Wow, thank you, sir. That's amazing. I imagine his thumbs are getting mighty strong. I thought he had one of those little tappers that they use, you know. One of our members used to do that, and then went weird on me, but whatever. I don't know. Good morning, Kirk Brown. Good morning, Jan. Fly to the sky, fly out. Good morning, Jan. Top of the day, you crash. Nice. Already did my weightlifting. My one meal a day is right now. I like eating early. And it left me in 3 hours or something. This will be my one minute day. Sell stop. What the hell is NAS doing? NAS. Sell stop to the 5-second blue line. This is weird. This is an opportunity right here. Yeah. This is 100% an opportunity. Why is it doing this? Sell stop to the 5-second blue line. NAS. Sell stop to the 10-second blue line. NAS. Listen, listen, listen. There you go. Told you. Watch, you're going to see these bolts. See them turn. 10 seconds will be next. Oh, there you go. See, they gave us free money. Look at it go. Told you. Why they would let NAS be this way? This is perfection. This is what you guys want to see. This is what I'm getting during the time. When they do this, let me see. I send Keith a little video. How do you see it? Keith, it's like 7 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's Friday, the 2nd or something. Anyway, right here, when they do this, when they let US 30 go below, and they let SPX go below, and NAS isn't below, that is the freest money they're ever. Watch this change before our eyes. This is the easiest, freest money they're ever going to give us right here. That's what we got to spot. This on any time frame. So we're doing it with, I think, everything, but I want to make sure when they show the US 30 and SPX and NAS hasn't done it. Hopefully Keith is sleeping. Nice. Anywho. All right. We have to have things at this point. Where was I? Hell, where do? Yeah, go to Amazon. They sell them at Amazon. Here, I'll show you. They really do. Oh my gosh. You set that thing up? Holy tomatoes. You're going to be a juggernaut. See, like this right here. This right here we're doing. Now, I don't know which ones are the best or anything. I'm just telling you this. That's one of them. Okay. Touchdowns in the 10-second blue line on NAS, by the way. About 5, so you got about 3 net, or about 20 to 30 ticks. Not bad. Not bad at all. All right. Let's see. We'll drink. We'll drink. Oh, yeah. Boy, they're not less than half of what we're doing. Humming is so good for you. It produces so much nitric oxide, and it brings your brain from alpha to beta. I'm not sure I want that in my search history. I know that's funny as fuck, and oh my god, that's too funny. Goodness, that is funny. Good morning, Larry. God bless you too. Simulation. That's funny. Where were we? Only do buys. We're doing buys to the 1 hour blue line today. And you can do these sells if you want. I'm not touching them with a 10-foot pole, but you know, here we go. This is what we're going for. 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 It's the only one over here. Look, this is how hard trading is. Look, it's US 30, 60-minute is the only red box on this chart. G, I wonder where price action might be going. I mean, come on, guys. It's literally the only thing. Look, well, I guess it's not true. There is some red half there, but you get the idea. Look at it. Now, if I covered up with the green arrow, it would be true. There you go. It's the only, now again, I'm not trying to complicate things on you, but the 60-minute is the only red thing on this thing, on my Uno reverse blue chart. It's the only one. Huh? That's it. So why would you do a sell if you know it's going in there today? I guess if you're greedy or if you're bored or if you want to do something that's exciting, feel free. You made money yesterday and US 30 going to the 1 hour. Let's take a look, shall we? Oh yeah, we made money. Hundreds and hundreds of pips yesterday. We went from, oh, you got in here. Here's what we went. Here. 300 pips. 3,000 tips. If you want to go, depending on which version you're using in your life. Can you imagine 3,000 tips? You guys would be all fucking retired off your funded accounts. There are people doing well in the Discord, by the way. They're actually starting to catch on. Damn. Got some fucking nice napkins here. All right. Who we got? Morning, Justin. Already done from last night. Thought I would stop in for my exam. Good luck on your exam, Justin. And congratulations on your trades, Justin. All over their 75. Yep, which just means that we're going to the hour. Thank you, Crash, for the update, by the way. Wayne Reed, good morning, Wayne. Good morning, Harry again. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, Lazarus, Ryan Marcus. Kev, what's up, Kevin Alderman? What's up, Aussie Trader, Larry Cooper, Mr. C, HJC. Good morning to everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Hey, we got quite a few people here. 7 if you guys understand that literally this is the only one that you can see. The only one that you can see that's red on this whole chart. Everything else green. So if everything else is going up, US 30s and go. 7s if you can see the red dot here, the red down arrow. What that means is all these other buy stops, the 10 minutes, the 15 minutes, the 30 minutes, are going to this 60-minute red dot. 7s if you can see that. I mean, if you can't, I don't know. Look, they're doing it again. They're doing it again. Sell stop to the 5-second blue line of NAS and NQ. Let's go to NQ so you guys can see the power. Yep, touchdown, touchdown. 5-second hit. 5-second hit. Here up, 10 seconds going to be hit. 10 seconds going to be hit. You're going to see these flip right here. You're going to see these. There we go. There we go. Watch. We're doing. Oh, come on now. Come on. Before it clears. Jeez, a fucking pizza. There we go. That's what I want to hear. That's what I want to hear. Watch them fall. What happened to the other baby? Watch them fall. 5 seconds. 10 seconds. This is gorgeous. Let's go. Nice. There we go. Look at the fall. They fell. They fell. So watch. Another one for here we go. Here we go now. Look at it. Look at it fall. Watch 10 seconds. 10 seconds off. Here we go. Watch the 15 seconds flip. Here we go now. 15 seconds falling. 15 seconds fall. 30 seconds. Let's do it. 30 seconds. Who else does this for you? This is so much fun. Here we go. Here we go. This is free money giveaway. Free money Fridays. Free money Fridays. So back to 5 seconds. What's going on? What's going on? Thieves. They're just giving it to us. They're just giving us free money. Watch them flip. Watch them turn red. Free money Fridays. Free money Fridays. Head over to the safetytrade.com. Buy yourself the system. I can do it. You can do it. I can do it. You can do it. Look at that fun stuff. Look at that shit go. Ding, ding, ding. Gee, I wonder why. Well, I wanted to change this. Hold on a second. I need to change this, which means I have to pull this off. So you guys don't go peeking. No peeking. No peeking, I said. You guys are silly. Now this is a lesser version. See the 10 second? It's going to arch up, purple cross, come back down. Oh, I would never do these sells again, but you know, we're having fun here. We're having fun here. We're having fun. That I do. And I got no more food. That was the fastest meal I ever ate. You're going to see the pink cross the purple, and then it will scoosh you down again. Okay, we're not going to see shit because I can't get this to go. Why is this not moving? What is this? Is the internet on? What in the world? Hold on a second. Hold your horses. We're having a little technical difficulties here. Hmm. No, it seems to be working. What? Why did it get so small? Hold on. Hold your horses. Oh, no, we're okay. Okay. Why is the pet? Oh, there we go. Okay, okay. Hold on, peeps. Give me a second here. Lordy, where did Keith tell me to change this? Lordy, Lordy, look who's 40. Oh, shit. Hold on. I don't know what's going on. Whatever it's doing, just pay attention. I don't know. Shit. Where did I miss it? I think it's above this. Where is it? No, pink. Nah, smoothed. Purple. Purple. Hold on, this isn't the way. No, 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 no. It's got to be right here. Keith, are you here? Oh my gosh, I went through it twice. I don't know what things are doing, so chill for a second. Hold on. I can't see. Banner placement. Banner. Symbol. No crypto. Ah, there it is. 30 second. Input time frame. Well, 5 minute. What? Yeah, but that's not what this one is. What? Keith. It's up right now. It's acting as if it's the old code. Yeah, none of that's right. No, that's not it. I know that's not it. No, that's not it. Yeah, I think this is like the old code, but why? I'm right here. Yeah, see, those are just the tables. I don't know much about coding. Wow, that light is bright. But fuck. Hold on one more second here. Let me see. Move one indicator. No, don't definitely do that. Well, I guess I'm just shit out of luck. Sorry. I'm back. Oh, I don't know what's going on. Looks like US 30 15-second buy stop is what's going on. But hold on, did the sell's not happen? 15-second. Hold on. Yeah, buy stops in 15-second blue line at US 30. Oh, good. Looks like we have some money. Oh, you know. TikTok down. Really? TikTok looks really good on my end. I reckon you could trade without knowing the price, just with the Uno reverse. We're sorry, there's a problem connecting to your live. Oh no. Hold on. The internet might have went down. Hold on. Hilton's really weird about that. Like every other day or something, they make me reconnect. It's kind of weird. Again. You're connected. All right, let's see if we're back on. See if we're back on over there on TikTok. Who's over there? Oh, no, it killed it. Interesting. All right, I'm going live again. I have to lower that shade though. All right, it's back up. All right. Yeah, I think that was it was just a thing that they make you sign in every other day or something. See if that's not really. 15-second buy stop to the blue line hit. Good morning, Cristobal. Thank you, Mr. C. Oh man, it doesn't work either. Hold on a second. All right. Da-da, 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 da-da. Trading View. Zilla. Q crossing. All right, where are we at? I don't even know what the hell. Okay, hold on. What do we have? Oh, okay. I have several US 30 and NAS buys open. I'm going to close a few of those off. These are all open right. I think there's placed a little bit ago. Let's see. 5 to 1343. Yeah, just a little bit ago. I'm not even paying attention. That's scary. The NAS is, I'm going to close one NAS down. All right. All right. Thank you, Mr. C. Smash the likes. Mr. C says, oh shit. How many likes are on YouTube, by the way? Oh, I never set up my YouTube. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook Live, you name it, we're there. Twitter, Twitch, X, pretty much on everything you can be on. Well, the bigger ones, anyways. What a glorious day. The Disney babies go out to play. My precious, my beautiful old wife. She's even prettier on the inside than the out. And that's saying something. Da 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 da. There is 21 thumbs up and 32. That's great, guys. You guys caught on. Just hit the damn thumb up while we're going. Was this 15-second buy stop? Yeah, make sure you lock in profit this morning, especially before 8:30. We got about an hour. About 1 hour. And then we'll have that news, NFP. NFP is today, right, guys? NFP is today. NFP is today. Hey, what's up, Try Edwards? Kirk Brown, 20 likes. I know, I have 30 people. Actually, we have 49 people. Oh, we have people other places. My bad. I don't even know what the fuck. Yeah, baby. Now, gee, guys, this is the 1 hour charts. Literally, is there a top on the website? Is there a top? Yes, there is. This is getting to be wonderful. That's pretty good. I would say that's hit 25. Is this 25? How could that be 25 and this be 25? Huh. They're all above except for US 30. That's how easy I make trading. Sure, you guys can figure that shit out. We're looking for buy stops, all indices, US 30, YM, NAS, NQ, SPX, and ES, all indices. Buy stops until 1 hour blue line. What we're really hoping for is a pull down on NFP today. That would be fucking awesome. Oh, look what it does when we do that. Oh, got it. So it's balancing out to there. A little bit I know. Little bit I know. Little did I know. Little did I. Little did I know. Make this a little bit bigger like they are. Let's go here and let's go to there and there we go. Look at that. Well, that's a nice way to look at things. All right. We are literally blue. Price action above, price action below, price action above, price action below. Yep. And let's go ahead and call out or take profits. Take profit for US 30, demo trade only 41,016. And then it's definitely popping past here. 41,142. And that's US 30, but they're all going to be going up. They're all slow, upward sloping W's, by the way. So we want a big pull down at NFP and then a movement up. I looked for pull down to 15-minute blue line in video from yesterday afternoon. Watched 5 times last night into this morning. I'm looking for a pull down 15-minute crash. Yeah, it's just what I'm thinking is they're going to do is make a hard pull down and NFP down to 3-minute. I just did a 15 minutes, so we're encompassing all of these. That's all. Doesn't have to go to the 15-minute. care less. We don't care how low it goes. We just care when it flips back up. Does that make sense to you, Crash? And it is today. Yay. Thank you, Harry. I missed Harry. I'm glad you're back, Harry. FX Karate Kid. Sure, we can look at FX. FX Karate Kid. We can look at USD JPY. USD JPY. Yeah, I'll end this fine. Okay, let's take a look at it. Sell to the 3 minute line. Yep, sell stop to the 3 minute blue. Fine. I can take profit. 144.379. I would never play a sell on this. Looks like it's a long term buy. Let me verify that. No, you can play sell on this. Sell stop to the daily blue line. 138.486. USD JPY. Yeah, but I wouldn't do that. I can see what I'm looking at. This is a 3 month. No, this is too good. Don't do any sell on this. I mean, you can knock yourself out. Okay, it's a weekly, 3 weekly buy stop, and I love the trade. I like that. Love it. Love it. Take profit 149.292. Love this. Take profit 152.615. Love 158.016. USD JPY.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
Now, you can
advisor.
do the short-term sells, but this is a long-term long-term buy. It's going to go back up. Whether it's a month, a year, or 3, I don't know. It's definitely going to fuck back up. A little more of a dip, pop back up. Hope that helped you, FX Karate Kid. You're welcome, Crash. Thank you for being here, everybody. Oh, we should say a little prayer. Look at all the prayer sheets. Yeah. Oh, by the way, we do have a prayer in Discord. Prayer and positive requests. Amen, amen, amen. Lord, we thank you for waking us up this morning. We love you and bless your name. Father, we thank you. We also want to thank you for giving us free keys. Lord, I ask you to bless each and every member and all their families. And that's one of the prayers. People pray for their family, their friends, for other people. We have a little prayer. I 100% believe in the power of prayer. It's scientifically proven, but I don't give 2 fucks if it was scientifically proven or not. I believe in the power of prayer. I know it works 100%. And yeah. And henceforth, why the first thing I do every morning, when you look at the rules, you'll see it. Look at the rules anymore. You'll see in here. If you want to see. There we go. There, now we're going out to the line. There we go. Sell stop. What's it blue line? We'll get right back to prayers. I can work all this. Sell stop. Sell stop. You look at the line. Look, it's all that part. Next, US 30. No. Wait, what? Oh, there we go. Sell stop. Whoa, shit. No way, really? Can this go that low? Holy fudge. I better have my take profit locked in. I'm going to call this, but dang gone. Holy shit. Sell stop to the 3 minute blue line US 30. I just don't think it's going that low. I just didn't. In my YM sell stop to the 3 minute blue line again, that is extremely low. I just don't know about that one. If it does, you might as well play it because that's a hell of a drop. There's just no way. Ain't no way. I'm marking them, but I mean, NAS, geez, fucking 700%. Only thing that can do this drop would be NFP, and it can do it. And it can do it. Sell stop, all it is these to the 3-minute blue line, but you did notice the sell stop to the 1-minute blue line all happened. Now we're just waiting for these. See how cute that is? Everybody loves this. I don't know why I was seeing this for the last 3 years, but you guys just couldn't see it. So thanks to the great Keith Palmer, I was able to code my little line, and you guys can see what I see. See how close? See all the big buy stops going down? Let's go to the 30-minute and take a look. Oh yeah, baby. 30-minute buy stop. US, I love this take profit. Take profit. This is for ES1, 5,659. It's just wonderful. This is just fantastic. ES1 buy stop. I would say about 2:30 today. By then you'll see that move. SPX, you can see right here, it's telling you 30-minute buys. All of these, I don't know why it's not flashing on the side. SPX buy stop 5,633. Take profit. NQ1 30-minute buy stop 19,977. NAS 30-minute buy stop 19,855. YMEZ 30-minute buy stop. I love this one right here. 41,147. So much. I'll give you another one. 41,202. Yep, love it. This will be right where it's going. 41,012. And then 41,100. These are all
demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
But we can go back to the same message that I kept up for 3 days. This might be the 4th day. No, 3 days for sure. Oh no. Oh, I don't have any more. Anywho. All right. Let's write it out again. That sucks. All indices. That would be SPX, NAS, US 30, ES1, NQ1, YM1, sell stops to, well, it's going to go 3-minute, 15-minute, wise, if we need to do buy stops to 1 hour, US 30 would touch and love this trade. 12-hour sell stop towards daily. And then I weekly buy stops with record highs. I love this. Okay, so there you go. That's what's going to happen across all those. Then we got to get back to our prayer. Let me move this up so you can see this. See it now. Yes. Oh. Okay. Where are we at? Oh, I say prayer, right? So thank God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, spiritual close with you. Especially thank you for my beautiful wife and I being a loving relationship and being so happy with each other. And I ask the same blessing upon everyone out there. Life is so much better when you experience with someone. I pray that everyone can experience that in their lives. And God, I pray that I pray for 100% health for all of our loved ones, everyone listening, and all their loved ones, all of our family and friends. And I pray for 100% health in every way for people we don't know. I thank you for letting us do so much better health-wise and in every way possible. I thank you for everything that's in my life, good and bad. I thank you for making everything well for us, for all my listeners. I thank you for working out everything for our highest good. I thank you for every experience that we have, that good comes out of it. I thank you for making each and every one of us safe and protected. And in reality, for letting us be able to run out of and experience the alpha wave brainwave so that we're all in a nice, safe, calm state. And I ask another blessing, please, if you don't mind, where you'll allow each and every one of the people listening to my voice right now be able to make profit consistently using my system. And just thank you for our lives. In Jesus' name, we thank you for these things. And if we could ever do anything while we're here on earth for you, please let us know. We're here as your humble servants and vessels. And just thank you. Amen. All right, I'll go with a little prayer. What's up, Kamal? Good morning, Matt Parker. What's up, Matt? Good morning, Techman. Good morning, Crash. What is your strategy? Let's see. My strategy is what? I say it better if we went over to ChatGPT and read the strategy word for word. We typed in, one of our members typed in my name, Kevin Gregory, Safety Trade. The Safety Trade system is a structured, disciplined trading system designed to minimize risk and increase probability success by focusing on high probability trade setups, proper risk management, and clearly defined entry and exit signals. It is especially popular among traders who value consistent returns. Who the hell doesn't value consistent returns? So you can read the rest. So my strategy works 100% of the time. My strategy has been documented over and over and over. And you can head over to YouTube right here. And you can go over to my channel. And in my channel, you'll see hundreds and thousands of videos. And you'll see me do call outs and trades every day. And for you to get familiar with it, you can watch me today and tomorrow, or you can go back underneath my playlist. If you go underneath the playlist, I strongly recommend you go under the best trading videos ever and spend a few hours watching me trade, watching what my strategy is, because this is a life-changing strategy for you. I know you're new here. Please just be nice. Don't say anything stupid so I don't have to ban you. And you'll be nice here at Kamal. Good morning, VM Tech Holdings. Should Kamal stick around, learn about the system, and then buy the system? Everyone. I haven't asked you guys this question in fucking 6 months. Should Kamal and anyone new listening stick around, shut their pie holes, listen, and then buy the system? Yes or no? Should Kamal stick around and buy the system? Yes or no? Nanal says 100% buy the system. Aussie Trader says buy the system. HJ says buy the system. I'm asking a question. Should he? Yes or no? Yes, he should buy the system, or no, he shouldn't. But he needs to take his time, poke around, get comfy. I've been doing this for 3 years. We ain't going anywhere anytime soon, Warren Booth. Yes, stick around and watch. Yes, says VM Tech. Are you seeing the answers, Kamal? So please just sit back, relax, ask some questions nicely. Don't be a douche about anything. Be kind. Cheapest car. Very silly. My brother is silly. Thank you all for answering. Appreciate you. Says D man. Good morning, Annie Apple. Thank you, Larry. Thank you. It's my time. It's my time. It's now or never. It's not that expensive. For what you're getting, you're exactly right. Oh, here you go. You go over here. If you want to read about it more, you go to safetrade.com. You can learn more over here. It's $5.75 for the year. We do have optional add-ons you can get. I happen to love the optional add-ons, but you do not need them to trade at all. $5.75 for the year. It should be $5,750 a year. Really, I have a feeling one day it's going to be that much. By the way, sorry, but it's going to be, because there'll be a day where I don't want to have any more people in, so I'll just jack the price up. But yeah, for now that's what it's at. And you can, oh damn, I never. Oh, you know what Keith did? Hold on a second. Keith made it where I can, yes. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, we have to have a custom time frame in here. Oh, I forgot Keith. Keith is so damn fucking good. Keith, you're too damn good. It's my time. Good morning, Kev. Z28. It's my time. It's now or never. All right. Do I want to do some training? Well, let me teach you all how to trade the system in 2 seconds. Here you go. This is all you need to know to trade. Green means up in my system. You'll see these green indicators right. This light's green, green, and green, right? Yeah. So they mean up. This is green right here. You can clearly see that that the candles are green. And you can clearly see these two green lines here. Red means down. I'll teach you how to trade in 2 seconds. Here's the red right here. You see that red right there. And the same pattern is repeated here too, just so we're clear. And then every time you see this high probability pattern of green, 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 up, red, green, 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 up. When it does this, price goes up. So right now we're looking for a buy stop on a 30-minute trade, and it's to the 60-minute blue line. But how you can remember that? What was that dude's name that was here? Thank you all for speaking up, by the way. What was that dude's name? Fuck, we lost Kamal or something. Kamal. So this is Kamal. I'm going to teach him how to trade right now. Just kind of out of the way. Okay. All right. This is Kamal. Kamal's swimming in the pool. He's trying to dive down to the bottom of the pool. So Kamal's trying to go down. See all the red? They're going down. I'm going to trade. Absolutely. That was one trade. Thank you. Red right here going down, 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 down. So he's trying to go down. This is Kamal trying to swim to the bottom of the pool. He has 3 people pushing up. He has Kev, Larry Cooper, and Matt. These 3 are pushing up against him. Then he has 3 people pulling up. He has Taraya Edwards, he has Cristobal, and he has Techman pulling up. So it's pulling up. And let me show you by a little video right here that we made actually for other people to help their kids out. It ends up, it's a great training video for everybody. So here we go. This is going to be an example video, but it's going to be extremely easy to follow. You'll get the hang of trading in 2 seconds. Okay, this is all going diving down to the bottom. You see his red shorts on right here. That's this thing. The red is this thing. This is Kamal trying to dive down to the bottom of the pool. Okay. To get that coin. This is red. All right, we come over to here. And then there's 3 greens. Greens are the same indicators that are over here. You see the 3? 1, 2, 3. Well, we have them right here. 1, 2, 3. That's the equivalent. There's also 3 people that are going to hook Kamal and pull him up, and that's what this is. See these 3 right here? That's these 3 right here. See? Watch. These 3 are 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. So that's the comparison. And then if you play it, Kamal could not go to the bottom pool to get the gold coin. He got pulled up. The trade could not go down. It did not go down. This trade cannot go down and will not go down. What I'm saying is it can. Want to go there? We can. Let's do that again. Why is my repeat my word color? Oh no. See. This isn't being pulled up. The trade can fall further, but the trade has to come up into profit at some time. And there he goes. So Kamal's trying to go down, can't go down. Let's watch the whole thing. Let's see if we repeat the trade. Yep, there we go. Again, trade trying to come down. This is the equivalent of Kamal trying to swim down, get this gold coin. He's almost there, but he pissed off 3 people. These indicators are showing green to go up. If they get hooked, he gets hooked. There's another 3 indicators above him saying it's going to go up. And then up, Kamal goes. The trade cannot go down, did not go down, and will not go down. As simple as that. What we're hoping for is a nice big pullback for NFP in about a half hour. And if we go about 40 minutes, if we can get that, boy, we can make a lot of money when we back up on that shit. Tell you that. And that's how you trade. So I guess I can teach you about 5 minutes, 3 minutes. All right. Now, we're currently looking for 3-minute sells. I don't know if it's going to go that far. Technically, it can go all the way down to about 15 minutes. And I think they're going to do a jerk. This is my opinion right now. They're going to do this. They're going to do that. We're going to hook it like this. And we're going to shoot it back up later. We need this hook down right here, like it did 3 days ago. Remember when I caught that big drop right at the very bottom? That was awesome. It's now or never. Okay, does anybody have any questions over the trading system? Good morning, Michelle Glowinski. Good morning, Michelle. Anybody have any questions? And when we see this turn around, well, it might be real fast. See these 1 second start to turn to green. See this? And you're going to notice the 5 seconds start to turn to green. See? And when you start seeing that, you can start looking for the other ones to flip and start taking those trades. Let's say probably not, but let's say 1 second 5 stop to the blue line. We'll go up to here, pick some across. This will go up. This is US 30. It'll touch. There you go. Touch down to the 1 second blue line, US 30. YMs will go up and touch its blue line. SPX will go up and touch its blue line. Yep, watch. A cross is 1 second trade. You didn't see it. Remember the dingy person that was here, the silly person that was here? Why would you ever trade 1 second? Well, we just did. And why? Because we know, look. As it's flying. Let's go on over to SPX real quick and see what's going on. SPX we can do next. Buy stop to the 15-second blue line. Let me see. Let me see the 10-second. Nope, let's go back to the 5. This is fun. There you go. Buy stop to the 5 second blue line. What am I on? SPX right here. Look. So go up, peaks across. Look, come up, go up and touch that. And there you go. Then these will change. Absolutely. Buy stop SPX ES1 to the 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute blue lines. Love the trade. Love this trade. This is one. Keith, this is another one you can catch right here. Peak will come down, price will go down a little bit. There'll be a gap right here, then it'll hook and come back up. It'll come up and touch that line. We'll just be patient. Now what I'm really hoping for is that pulled out before NFP, and then we can get a nice fat big buy stop going. That's what we're hoping for. It's now on never. Look at the jets. Awesome. No questions. No questions. Let me see who's over here. Good morning, HJC. Good morning, Henry. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, Aussie Trader. Mr. C. Tarson Black, you're back. It's my time. Michelle Glowinski, D-Man, Kevin Alderman, Lazarus, Annie Apple, Heckman, Nadal, Miss Cloudy, user 95167. You know what I haven't done? Holy shit. Keep an eye on this stuff. If it doesn't, look, you can just do the sells anyways, but just keep an eye on this. I'm heading over to gold. I didn't do gold. It's when we have to do gold. Where is gold? Oh, gold. Gold. Where you at? Nope. One second. Oh, hold on. Let me get out here. Yeah, I'm going to do gold right here. See, this is set up individual with an individual sniper rifle. The other one we're using is a reverse sniper rifle. So 1 second. Sell stop to the 5-second blue line. Sell stop to the 5-second blue line. Never do a sell in gold. Gold is a permanent buy. But nonetheless, you can see this turns from negative. You can see this pink come down, purple's not hook. Let me see. What's this? A little gap right here, like it is here. You can see this hook. This will come up a little bit more than it's going to hook and come down. And it's going to come and touch back. Now the question comes in. That's a rough one. I really like. Yeah, I would never do a sell. It is a 10-second buy, 15-second buy, 30-second buy. It's a 30-second buy, 1 minute buy stop. So this is what I'm going to call for you guys. Take profit one, $3,266. Take profit two, $3,267. I want to come over here to 3 minute, and then all the way up here. I'm just going to load it for you guys. 45-minute sell. 30-minute sell to the blue line. Ricochet. I have to call this even though I don't like it. I would never take a sell on gold. I've buy since 1935. Yes, you heard me. 1935. All right, now. 5 hour buy was like a 9 hour buy. 10 hour buy. 10 hour buy. Stop gold. I love. Take profit one. 3,285. Take profit two. 3,323. And the take profit that I absolutely love the door on gold is right here. 3,357. And then 3,470. And then 3,500, 3,550, 3,000. Going down to 5 seconds. We have 5 seconds. Again, just because I go play them doesn't mean they don't happen. It happened. I'm just not playing a sell stop on gold. There it is. Now let me call out Bitcoin super quick. Bitcoin, let's see what she's doing. It's permanent buy. Bitcoin, by the way, I don't care what the fuck it's short term. So I'll skip all that. No, it's not low enough. Let me see. It is a weekly 3 week. Look at this shit. Told you where Bitcoin was going. Told you. Not only told you. I happen to, Kim Harrington, one of our members, writes down every call out I ever make every day, all documented since November of last year, since November of last year. Here's one of my Bitcoins. 94, no, not as good as the other one. So over here. There we go. Bitcoin right here. $83,000 take profit on a buy stop hit. 85 hit, 89 hit, 95 hit. Next stop 100, 105, 110, 120. That's where Bitcoin's going to take it to make. Demo trade only. All right, so that's Bitcoin. I would take any buy stop you can find. Whenever you see one of these things turn red on the rifle, take the buy. Now, Bitcoin has already hit exactly where it's supposed to, which is the orange line. Let's go to XRP. Yep, XRP is going up just as full. XRP is going right to this orange line, which is right here. XRP is still buy to $2.47, and then XRP will go to $3, $3.20, $3.60, $4. Ethereum is a little higher, but I still spend more time on Ethereum. Ethereum is a 3-week buy. Take profit one, $2,183, $2,400. Love take profit, whatever this is, $2,600. Love, love, love. Love the best one there is, $3,100. I'm calling for Ethereum to go over 4,000. XLM, not as good as the rest. It's kind of hit its little thing already. I mean, it can go to 30 cents, let's say. There you go. Nike, might as well finish it out. Nike is a week, 3-month buy. Yeah, 3-month buy. I love Nike, by the way, on the buy. This is my strongest recommendation. Followed on the way down. It's a little more further to go. $66 take profit. $76 take profit. $86 take profit. $100 take profit. $110 take profit. I love $120. Love, love, love. Favorite take profit there is. It's the reason it's going to go right below that little thing. And then Nike will go eventually up to $180. I love Target, TGT. Target is isn't it maybe monthly buy stop. Target, take profit 118, take profit 2, 144. I love take profit 3, 177. I adore take profit, whatever this is, $200, then 220, then 250, and then 280. That's Target. J&J. Oh, always love J&J, just kicking ass. Yes, I called it at the very bottom, actually. So it's already hit take profit 1 and 2, but we're going to take profit again. $164, and J&J is going back to 180. And then J&J is going back to, oh, 170, then 180, then over 200. I'll scrap with CVS. I love CVS. CVS is a 3-month buy. It was fantastic. They already hit take profit 1, I see. $76 CVS, and I love the $84 CVS, then $100 CVS. Now we'll go back to our regular schedule program. Let's head on over to, well, let's just go over here. So okay, beautiful, beautiful. Again, you guys can play these faster downs and ups if you want to. I'll call them out for you, and we'll make fast money and all that. But the reality is, take any buy stop. See these buy stops 30-minute, 15-minute, 10 signal. So it's 30-minute buy stop until the 60-minute line. No, I can't tell you. Take that way to get it. What do I think? A lot of those. A lot of gesture. There we go. This is what I'm telling you it's going to go to. What it's going to do. Oh, hope that helped all of you. Does anybody have any other symbols you want me to check? We do have time this morning to check them. Does anybody have any other symbols?
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
That you want me to check? Does anybody have any symbols you want me to check? Anybody have any symbols you want me to check?
Nice. Just do a few exercises while you guys wait to respond. I really need my ankle brace. Damn. That's too. My little boo thing.
No, no symbol. Nope, no symbol. Thank you, Kim. Appreciate it. Thank you, Alex. Always thank God. Breathe. And I'm good, but thank you. All right, let's pop this one out of here. ES1. Buy stop to the blue line, ES1, 5 second. SPX to the blue line, 5 second. Go back here, sorry. The ES1s, you don't need a lot. You only need a few ticks. Who was that clown? Watch. I can get 10 ticks in my sleep. Good job, little buddy. It's a clown world we live in. I swear, I'm on here trying to help people in this clown. They're 10 ticks in my sleep. Oh, I'm glad you can, brother. Yeah. Give me another one. Yeah. People come down just like here. People cross. The purple come down. People cross this gap. Feeling price action will go back up to there. Let's see. There you go. You're in profit. You're already in profit on ES1. There you go. Do it out. Oh, gonna happen. Do it out. Oh, gonna happen. Told you. If I can do this, you can do this. I don't see trading.com. Buy it for $5.75. If I can do it, you can do it, and I do it. If I can do it, you can do it, and I do it out. If I can do it, you can do it, and I do it out. There it is. Look at that. ES1. I told you the gap was going to fill in. I drew it out. That it was going to go up. I told you it was going to do this right here. I told you the pink line was going to come up. There you go, peeps. Da 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 da. This is fun. Maybe one day they're going to give me my own TV show. Would that be fun? I'd love for you to be on there, but she's not. I'm not even a social person, but this is just too easy. This is what I drew. When the time happens, this is exactly what I drew. This is exactly. Why is it off center like this? That's weird. Oh, because this thing's underneath it. That's funny. Well, anywho, this is exactly what I drew. I drew that this would go up. I drew this would close in the gap. I told you we crossed the pink, we crossed the purple, just like it did. It would go up. Now, technically, this has to come up here because that's not fair. There it is. And this is exactly what it did. And there you go. And there you go. How do you enter the trade? How do you trade it? I can teach you all that. That's what it is. Look, a little buy right there. A little buy right there. And then we go up. And then we go up. And then we go up. Up. Look. My little thing. There you go. How gorgeous. I'm pretty sure there's no one else out there on the 5-second land. And hell, there ain't no one out there that knows how to fucking trade, let's be real. So there's none of those traders know how to trade. You might get a lucky horseshoe up their ass once in a blue moon and they think there's something. There ain't no one trading 5-second buy stops on ES, drawing it out before it happens, telling you where it's going to go when it goes there. I'm a humble vessel of God. I ain't even so humble. I give God all the glory and the credit. And it's simple as that. All these buy stops are going to the US 30-60 minute blue line, which will be hit later today, Sunday night, Monday. I don't care fuck when it does it. It's going to do it. That losing. Anyone notice that I drew that out and it did exactly as I said? Did anyone notice this free gift from Bree and I coming to you guys? Look. My little boo thing. Again, this is just what you do. And we're going ultimately to here. My little boo thing. My little boo thing. Brown-eyed baby. Here you go. So let's see. It's going to the 15 seconds. Let's see what it looks like. Here you go. Watch. My little boo thing. ES, SPX. ES, it's in the game. ES1 going to the 15-second blue line. US 30 going to the 15-second blue line. SPX going to the 15-second blue line. I think everybody's sleeping that. Isn't this fun? A little boo thing. Oh. My little boo thing. Let's make it a bright orange. My little boo thing. Oh, come on now. Oh, geez. Pink line, okay. Pink's coming down, place to come down, and it's going to hook and go up. Jeez. Take any longer? SPX going to say thing. Yes, we'll wait for you. My little boo thing. Freebies all day, says man. Yep, that is true. It's Free Money Friday. Free Money Friday, peeps. Free Money Friday. We got about 18, 19 minutes till the news. Let me make sure I got my stuff. I'm wanting it to drop hard for NFP. I want it to pull down. Not a way we get into this entrance. And then hook. And then come back up. So this is what I want to see happen, peeps. I want to see the impossible dream. I want to dream the impossible. Okay, that's what I want to see. Somewhere on like the 5-minute-ish, 3-minute-ish, I want to see this. Price action do this when they announce it. And I want to see what it goes like that. If we can get this pull down right here, we'll be in like Flint. You guys probably don't know. Yeah. This is what I'm looking for. Now, if it just keeps going straight up, you should be advised anyway, so I won't tell you. But hopefully, oh, there we go. Boom. 5-second, 10-second blue line hit. So I'm back down again. Which one? Yes. All right, we're going to put it right. Little boo thing. There we go. We'll put it right here. I'm just going to make alerts. I make alerts easier. Is there a way to make alerts easier? Not to hear a whole bunch of things going off. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So we're. Yeah, what you're going to see price action go up. It's going to come over like this, and it's going to fall here. This will fill in. So you go down to the 5 second, 10 seconds. Same thing. See, this red right here will turn back to green. And so I stop to the blue line. This red right here will turn back to green. The price action will go right up to here. And we'll go up past that. Yeah, I'm going to do ES1, though I do like ES1 better. So what you guys trade on. Stuff you did. Okay, follow it down. This is what we need. We need a big ass pullback if we can get it. We need the shit to drop like a rock. 10-second buy stop to the blue line. ES1 it's in 8. 5 seconds. There you go. Just stay right. There's no rush. This keeps going down. Don't enter the trade. Don't enter the trade. We're only doing buys today. Well, you can do sells if you want. I do not recommend sells.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
We're only
advisor.
doing buys today. So just sit back and chill. Let the downs go. What you see is a big down, by the way, when you go up to a higher time frame. It doesn't even register. Hold on, get over here. See right there, you can't even see the lips. 30-minute buy stops across the board. 30-minute buy stops, all indices until the US 30 blue line is hit on the 1 hour. So I'm going to set this up again. I've already done it once. I'm going to do it again. It's too important. Buy stop 30-minute all indices. ES1, SPX, and Q1 until US 30 1 hour blue line is hit. This goes for NAS. This goes for YM. It definitely goes for US 30. Matter of fact, I'm going to go up to US 30. There you go. This is gorgeous. Whoa. This goes a ricochet to the blue line, 30-minute buy stop. If it goes straight down, it keeps going down forever. Well, then we miss out on a trade with the fucking big down. All right, so we are hoping. Let's go to like a 5-minute chart here. Can you see? Yeah. Yeah. What we're hoping for. I don't want to. All right. What we're hoping for is a nice pull down for you guys, so you guys can re-enter the trade. If you're not in the buys, make sure you lock in profit before the NFP news. When's the news? In about 23 minutes, 22 minutes. Make sure you lock in profit. You do not want to horse shit around with this. If they move, they're going to move it really fast. They'll blow through your stop losses. They won't honor your entrances. What they do is they fulfill institutional orders first and then you. So your stop losses will become not useless, but virtually useless. They won't fill your orders. If you really want to get in or to buy or sell, you're going to have to do it maybe even manually, but be careful. Because boy, oh boy, that shit's going to be flying every which way. I mean, shit flying every which way. So don't play the news. Wait. Yep, 5-second hit. Now the 10-second blue line is what we're looking for. ES1 crossing, second take off and hit. It already passed the 5-second blue line. It already went to this 5-second, 10-second blue line is next. See how it went from red to green and told you that's what it's going to do. It's going to come up and it's going to touch this blue line on before 10-second max. And this is ES1, it's in the gain and SPX. Just be patient. We're in zero rush. You guys don't like doing these 5-second, 1-second, 10, then don't. Then don't. You can do the 30-minute buy stops and just be patient and wait. You don't have to do it. Oh, speaking of which, I'm going to have to make a decision here. Hold on. What is my decision? I like NAS. I'm going to go SPX. Yeah, I'm going to watch SPX real hard here for a minute. Where is mine? We're going to get all set. We're going to get all ready. We're going to get all set. I'm going to call 30-minute buy stops on all indices for this NFP. But be prepared if they dip it. I'm going to call it really quick. I'm going to jump in so fast you're not even going to know what happened. So I'm going to get in super quick if they drop it down hard. Again, do not try to duplicate what I'm doing.
Demo trade only.
Demo trade
I am
only.
not a financial
I
advisor.
am not a financial advisor. All right, so we're just going to wait here. We're going to hope for a dip over the next 10 minutes, and then we're going to hope that it drops immediately. Let us get back into some trades. I'm already in 2 or 3 huge trades. Yes, I'm talking. Just be patient. And if you're already in position, it can't be as much as well. Understand? Yes, I agree with Harry on like US 30 won't be 100 pips on slippage on SPX though. No way. Not even they can do that. That's total scammy anyway. Slippage, where they don't fulfill your order in a timely manner. Yeah, so they move things so hard, but you can get in pretty quick. You can get it when it's dipped down a lot. You can still enter in. Absolutely, I'll do it for you. I'll do it. If you're having your buy stop set up, that's where a whole bunch of slippage can happen. There's right, where they won't fulfill the order, or they'll fulfill it after 20, 30, 40, 50 pips have gone by. Like, what the fuck? That's why I'm going to focus here on SPX. And there won't be, hopefully, as much on that one. US 30, you better be in that fucking trade already. Period. Demo trade only. I'm in a huge trade on thing. I have profit locked in. I'm not worried about my US 30 trade or my NAS trade, and of course, not my gold trade. Good morning, John Parker. What's up, John? We're currently at Free Money Fridays. NFP is today. We're hoping to make a whole bunch of money on it. I don't see any reason why we can't. Oh, I want to dip down first, and then we'll get in. Now, if it goes up real hard before the next, that's going to be really hard. Well, let's hope that they pull down. By the way, so you should really think about this. As soon as 8:30 comes, the market immediately moves up or down huge with NFP, and it's impossible. They don't know what the news is. The person hasn't even said the news is good or bad, and yet the market moves hundreds of pips one way or the other. It's so funny. That's all good. There you go. Buy stops all in profit. Buy stops all in profit. They show. That's something that's happening. Buy stops all in profit. 15 seconds buy. 15 seconds buy. All in profit. You can take your profit and run. Every trade you have, all on NAS, SPX, NQ1, YM1 to the 15-second blue line, US 30 to the 15-second blue line. Let's create some more alerts here. This is fun. Yeah, I was hoping this would do this after the news, but you know, they always just screw up. So you're either instant trades with profit or not. Uh-oh. I hear an alarm going off. I hear an alarm going off. SPX in the 15-second blue line. Let's keep the noise going. Let's keep the noise going. Looking for shit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Still need that pullback, but boy, it's gonna have to become harder and harder. Hear those alarms, baby. Ding 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 a ling, ding 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 a ling, ding. Keep going. Ding 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 a ling, ding ding ding. Let's go off again and again and again. We're giving the money, yes we are. Jing jing, jingling, jing. That one. That one. Listen, damn, I wanted this to do it faster. Not before. Looking to go touchdown. Touchdown. Yeah, touchdown to the 15-second blue line. 30-second, 15-second for the US 30. 15-second for the US 30. I'm locking all my profits. I'm taking profits out, all my trades in profit. With how much SPX in there, I'll be taking those out, locking in profit on the remainders. All green, all green. Now we're calling it to the 30-second blue line. I'm telling you, we need this to pull down. I knew it. We need this to pull down before we got 5 minutes. Fuck. We need this to pull down. Or I can't get you in these trades. I got to get you in the trades. I can't get you in the trades. Don't trade the news. Either you're in it or you're not. If you're not in it, stay back and just watch. Have fun. Okay? This is not a demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All made money anyways. I just like to do it because it's a fun little rush. Let's just see what happens, PD Weepies. Demo trade only. He's going to go right back up. Let's make some more noises here. Oh, there you go to the 30-second. We're making money short news during the news. Why do we even bother with it? Because it's fun. We're making, you know, NQ1 buy stop for the 1 minute blue line. Oh my gosh. We already cast them all. Fuck. SPX to the 30-second blue line. Hell, now, I wouldn't trade anymore. Or lock in profits on everything. Lock in profits on everything. Then be prepared for. I want a nice hard down movement. I want to do that stupid fake out where they move it down really hard. I'm sure all of you have ever traded more than 2 days know what I'm talking about. And then ES1 buy stop to the 30-second blue line. SPX buy stop to the 30-second blue line. This is why I'm focusing on this here. Go to US 30 real quick. CPI in 3 minutes. CPI in 3 minutes. This is fun and exciting. US 30 buy stop to the 15-second and 30-second blue line. And the 1 minute blue line. Easy. YM1 buy stop to the 1 minute blue line, 30-second blue line, 15-second blue line. I don't care if they pull this down and I don't make one more penny and just cash me out and take profits all my trades. I don't care. That's great. More power to them. But I'm looking for this. If it goes straight down, we'll get in again and I'll be able to get you guys some extra money. That's what I'm hoping for. We need this to happen. I need a strong pull down in about 2 minutes. Come on, peeps. Come on, peepies. Going to string and shout. Come on, peepies. All right. Here we go. Here we go, people. Here we go. All right. Let's have some fun this morning. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
If you're
advisor.
listening on YouTube, I can be out of a trade in 2 or 3 times by the time you hear me. It's probably best if you go over to TikTok to try to listen. If I make these trades, they're going to be buy onlys. I want to see this dip down hard. It doesn't look like it's going to do it before that, so we need that bullshit thing where they just pop it down. And then I'm going to jump in, and then we're going to go ride the gravy train up. And of course, if it keeps going down, I don't give a fuck. Doesn't matter to us. Doesn't matter one way or the other. Here we go, peeps. Here we go. Everybody have fun. Kung Fu Fighting. 1 minute. 1 minute to NFP. I hope it's not a dud. Don't be a dud. Come on, make some moves. Make some moves. I don't care if it goes straight up or if it goes straight down. Give me something. Give me something. And it's going to be quick, guys. I don't have time to shit around and talk with you. I'll be on this probably for a couple minutes without looking at comments. So just don't trade it. Demo trade only. Rock in your profits. 30 seconds. Let's have some fun. Loaded. Do. Come on, NFP. Give us some big money. Big money. Come on, peeps. Come on. Come on, let's go. Now, again, how does it know to do this in 2 seconds? I don't know. They're fucking... It's weird. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Pop. Pop. Pop, 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 pop. Come on. Pop, pop, pop. Okay, take your profit, run. Take your profit and run. Take your profit and run. Everything shot up. Take your profit and run. Take your profit and run. Everything shot up. Take your profit and run. Take your profit. Close down trade. Close down trade. All in profit. All buy stops in profit. All buy stops. Take your profit and run. Take your profit and run. Take your profit and run. Take it. Take it. Look at the buys go. Look at the buys go. So hard I can't even see it on my chart. That bastard. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Take all that money and run. Take all that money and run, peeps. Oh my God. Free money. 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 Guess where it's going to? Guess where it's going to, peeps? Guess where it's going to, peeps? I can't even see it on my chart. And look, it skipped. It hit so hard. It skipped. Bar ones. Oh my gosh, look how it skipped. Cheater, pumpkin eaters. But guess who ate? Guess who's feasting right now? Guess who is feasting on this stuff? 8,000, 8,000, 8,000. Take your money and run, honey. Take your money and run. Look, I don't even know where the fuck it went to. Where did it go to? It's off the screen. Where the fuck is this? I'm lost. Where? It doesn't even show? Wow, look at these cheating bastards. Look at it. I don't even see a... Oh my God. There isn't even a candle. Look, it's up here without a candle. US 30 through the roof. Told you where it was going, PBWBs. There it is. 1 hour blue line hit. 1 hour blue line hit. 1 hour. Look at all the money. There you go. There you go. Nice trades this morning. That's how you play NFP. You can see the candles. 1 hour blue line hit as called out, as told you it was going to do. Let me see if I can pull that up. Oh my gosh, we didn't get the full down. I'm sorry. I was back and forth. Look at this shit. Look at it. They made it. So there we go. 5 stops, the 1 hour blue line of US 30. Would touch and love this trade. And it's there. I don't see a candle there, obviously, because it's too fast. Let's go to 30 seconds, see what they're showing. They skipped it. Look, watch what I mean. They did it so hard. Cheating. Good thing we were already ready for it. Look, they skipped the candle. They usually do that shit in after hours trading. Yep. There we go. There it is to the 1 hour blue line of US 30, baby. Right, so you can't even see it because it's not a complete 1 hour yet. So there you go. I'm going to let my runners run. Let me lock that in, by the way, just so. Okay. Yeah. And then I'm going to let them run with my other ones. Wow. How nice was that? Anybody else these with me or no? Sevens or yeses if you guys made a little money. Good morning, Amy Lou. Good morning, History and Wildlife. That was fun. Damn God, that was fun. Now that part, I recommend you do. SafeTrade.com system. If I can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you. If you don't think you can do it, think about it again. You can do it. You can become consistently profitable. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Look. That was fun. Now, again, I don't recommend you trade NFP. That's a little bit ballsy, but nonetheless, fun times, fun times. Learning today, says Kirk Brown. What are you learning, Kirk? Good morning, Dad Bod. Oh, Dad Bod made money. Larry Cooper made money. Nice, Dad Bod. And good morning to you, Larry and Dad. This is fun. Keep taking any buy stop you can find. Look, there seems to be a 5-second buy stop. Look over here. See it right there? You take this trade. Watch what happens. You're going to see this turn back to green. You're going to see the blue hook up. You're going to see price action go above the yellow, and the watch is just going to do this. It might take time. We're in no rush. Just be patient. Patient is the love language of trading. According to my beautiful wife, Precious, and she's right. And there it is. And that's what it's going to do. Blue, this will turn to green, blah, 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 blah. That's just what it does. Take profit one hit. Take profit one hit. I'm drawing it out for you, trading it out with you. Take profit one, take profit two hit. I can't see. Take profit two is now hit. There it is. It just did exactly what I told you. Look, there's your green line. There's the blue up. There's price action. Take profit one and two. This is take profit two. By the way, this is. Yep, there it is. Exactly. It's all you have to do is go find. You see 1 second buy stop. Play the 1 second buy stops to the 60-minute blue line. It's as simple as that. And there it is. I just drew it out for you guys. I just told you how to do that. I just showed you. I'm in the trades with you. Demo trading. Oh, demo trading. Gotcha. Which is great to do on NFP. Otherwise, you get your ass handed to you. All right. On sevens, how many people have you here? 69 and 20. So we got over 100 and plus over there on thing, about 120 people watching. How many of you saw me draw that out, told you what I was going to do, and I'm going to teach you how I did it in just a minute here. Sevens, if you saw me draw these green here, the blue will come up right there. If I showed you where to go to the yellow line and the orange line, sevens, if you just saw that, literally drew it out, just like this, just drew it out. Look at it go. There you go. And now it's up past take profit two. There you go. Grab another $2,000 after that. Nice, Dad Bod. Go back. Relax. Go. I'm taking a nap. What's up, Jan? What's up, Jan? Buy the system. Come on over to the bright side and buy the system. And my runner still open. You know what I have to do? Hold on 1 second. Yeah, these are my US 30.
Da da da. These are my runners that I left open right here. These are my stop losses and take profit. These are the time into my trades, and there's women. These are the ones from the other day. This is the one from 2 days ago. This is the one from 5, 6, 7 days ago, 6 days ago. I trade from gold from January. There you go. The runners can compound this, like compound interest. Just amazing. You let the runners do what they're going to do. Look at that trade. So how many people said they saw this? All above 90 minutes. You go, crash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oof, I'm not doing there. 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, there's a lot of you. All right, I can live with that. I can live with that. TikTok also. TikTok guys are good. I'll just leave TikTok. I was about to close YouTube though. There was only like 5 of you saying you saw me do that. You're all gone. And there's where your take profits are. Told you. Comes right off the yellow, and then off the orange. This will turn to green, but I came up just like I drew out. Do 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 da 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 da. Now, you know what? I think. No, I don't think this goes back in time though. Fuck. Let me see something. Hold on a second. What the hell was that? Is it? That was weird. Wait, blow it up. I'm a little confused. So, hold on a second. Oh, I think it's having problems pulling through the indicators, the lunar reverse indicators. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is. All right, let me take this. We'll just do single charts. I think it did go back in time though, actually. That's really cool. All right. Oh, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. What time period is? 5 second. 5 second buy stop. The exact thing they want to teach you on is doing it again. Buy stop. Here, I'll just redraw it. This is me redrawing it. Look at the take profits. The exact same take profits here, here. This will turn to green, the blue will come up. Oh my gosh, it's doing it again. No, this is funny. I'm going to teach you how this trade works. And okay, we're just going to teach it. There we go. That's what's happening right now. We're on we're on US 30. And this is a lot of money, by the way. For US 30, this is a shit ton of money. I'll show you where your entry would have been, and you went up to here. Yeah, that's 50 pips. 500 ticks, just so we're clear. This is what I drew out. And let's go back in time and figure out how I drew this out. That was fun. That was actually a fun news day. Most of the news days lately have been sunny. NFP never disappoints. Never. It's like a rarity that never disappoints. All right. So this is what I was looking at when here, this is what we'll do. This is what I was looking at. What I call this trade right here. I'll explain what all this is. I think we're a little further along, actually. This is what I drew out. And let me explain what I was witnessing here. Okay, this was a 5-second US 30 after that little push up thing came, right? The NFP news. So what I saw was this. All the other indices were up, right? Except for SPX and ES. NAS was up over its 5-second, 10-second. Okay. So let me. This is what I saw. And was above its 5 and 10 seconds of run, I believe. And then okay, and this is what I saw. I came over and said, hey, green, 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 red, green, green, green. The orange was below the green and the yellow or GMA. I saw this. This is another little nuance. You guys want to write everything down, okay? This is called headlight trading. This is the mammary gland. What's a good word for? Hold on a second. I'm trying not to say something that would offend anyone here, but you can kind of see what this is. So what do you call that? That's not offensive to anyone. Udder. I remember us talking about that. And udder. Yeah, no, we need the actual. A dug, an udder, a teat. I was going to say teat too. All right, we'll just say udder. Okay. So a lot of the times this is called, we have it in our rules if anyone reads the rules. You'll notice that this is a, it looks just like an udder. I call it a headlight. Method, I think I have that as my thing. 5-second NAS, SPY stop, boom. Thank you, Miami Rocks. Good morning, Miami Rocks. Mr. C says, say it. Yeah, we have a lot of women, and I'm trying to be respectful here. So, all right. So, this right here is an udder. You'll see it's going to fill out like this. So go like that. So what you're going to see is this like this. It's going to come down. Do the little pointy right there, come over and come up like that. And this is an udder. Okay, this is yet another distinction. So when I saw the udder, not other, udder, then I saw a demo buy stop. Then I saw orange line below other two EMAs. Then I saw the udder. And then, pink. And pink broth. This is huge. Oil, that's your trigger. Huge.
signal. All right. So when I saw all of that after the initial push up, I was like, damn, that's too easy. Let's go over there and make that call for them. And that's what I did. All right, Mr. C's London. You're welcome, Rex. Okay. So this right here is the setup. When I saw that NAS was above its lines, because NAS and SPX always run together. They're just like live or die, ride or die, whatever they call it. Okay. So does everybody get the reasoning of why I looked at this and made this call? Yes or no? Does everyone understand everything I just wrote down on there and how I was able to draw it out? And again, this is happening extremely quick. This is 5 seconds. It's coming at you hard. I mean, it's hard. And it's very hard to do this live. Imagine trying to trade by yourself at home, and then imagine 100 people watching you live. And then imagine knowing you're going to have about 500 to 1,000 to 2,000 people rewatch this video later. So imagine a little bit of like, oh shit, better be right on this one. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Yes, sir. Yes, thank you. Okay. Called out, drawn out, baby. Amen, John. All right. I just want to make sure we're clear. Now, in the smaller time frames, you're going to see right here with that nipple cross. See this? To be clear on what I'm going to point out. When this pink line closes, crosses, not all the time, but I would say 8 out of 10 times, 9 out of 10 times, it'll be the lowest point of the trade. Now, I don't even know if it is on this one. I'll have to go back and watch. But so now I should enter the trade, and your entry is right here off the orange line. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and enter. So this is my entry. Enter off the orange line with a buy stop. You never do a market order. You only do buy stops or sell stops. Okay. It's off of the. Oh, I don't want to use orange line. Right. And this is a pending order. If the market turns around and comes up to it, you enter. If it doesn't, you don't. That's why I kept telling you. If it doesn't go up, we don't care. And then, of course, we have to put our take profits in. And then, of course, you have to have the runners. Runners. Okay. And then your stop loss have to go somewhere. And this is where you're going to have to be very lenient on this stop loss. You can't have the stop loss suffocating your trade. So I'm going to put my stop loss under this lowest point right here. The other. I'm putting it way. Yeah, that's a horrible line. Hold on. Way down there. Okay. Now, this is your trade setup right here. Came down. Red. Let me go forward. Well, let me enter the trade. Well, I can't enter the trade. It's going to be really, you won't be able to see it. Okay. So now you're definitely entered into the trade. You have your buy stop off the orange line. You have your take profit off the yellow one. Take profit number 2 off the orange. And let the runner run. Take cross. You have NAS above. I knew this was going to turn back to red. I knew the blue line was going to hook up. I knew the price action was going to go up to here and here. Okay? So everybody good. We're going to go forward with the trade. See, look. See how this is a dead giveaway? Let me be clear on this. This is a dead giveaway when you see when you see the smaller right here, right? And this is up, smaller. Look, and this is starting to jerk up right here. Watch. Boom. Watch. Take some share there. There you go. Look. That's pretty much take profit one hit. See how small this is now? Boom. Boom. Purple starting to rise. Watch the blue over here start to rise. Oh, look at that purple. Touchdown. You have sorry. You have touchdown, purple rose, blue rose. You have take profit one done. This turned to green just like I drew out. Just perfection. This is just a perfect trade. Then you wait for take profit two. You close one of your trades down to take profit one. Then you're gonna wait for take profit two right here. Good answer again right there. There you go. Take profit two. And you can clearly see purple line rose, blue line rose. Then it went up to take profit two. Just everything close to the stop loss, by the way. Matter of fact, you would probably have little to zero drawdown on this trade at all. And that's it. And then it went up to take profit two, and you let the runner run. And that is how you trade. Oh shit. This shit is rocketing. Hold on. Play time over. Play time over. Hell yeah. I'm going on crazy. Look at my money. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Oh, that's why you let runners run. Look at the NAS go. Look at US 30 go. Look at US 30. We got some. Where's the one? This is something else, baby. Look at it. Hell yeah. I bet you we have a shit ton of room for that too. Week two. Oh my gosh. Look at that butt. Oh my gosh. We have another 500 pips to go up today. 500, 2,500, 500 would be 500, 500 times half that would be 50,000. That would be another 25,000. Yeah, this might be a very good day. All right. Everybody understand the explanation of the trade, why we're looking at what we're looking at, what we're waiting for it to go to. Let's go back to normal vision and look. The 60-minute trade that I've been calling on for days on end. I hope y'all got that trade. Sevens, if y'all understood what I said, thank you, Henry. This is what I said for the last 2 days. When I stopped to the 1 hour blue line, which I love and would touch. This was written out yesterday. It was written out this morning. It was talked about. It was traded out. And there you go. This is all you need to do. Now it's going to the 2 hour. Buy stop. US 30. 2 hours. Money talk. Money talk. If I can do this, you can do this. If I can do this, you can do this. Come over to here. Come over to safetytrade.com. I can do it. Safetytrade.com. You can do it. Look at it go. That was the easiest trade to the 30-minute earlier in the week, to the 45-minute couple days into the week, to the 60-minute to the last couple days of the week. You don't know the blessing you guys have had to be able to trade this. It doesn't always occur like this. This is just a huge ass blessing for you. Huge ass blessing for you. You can't even see the candle. This is so cute. I haven't seen that in a long time. All right, only 3 people said yes. Okay. So out of let's just say 120 people, 3 of you said yes, and multiple of you said yes on TikTok. So TikTok's staying. Okay. So did you understand the explanation I gave on the trade and how we were able to call it? Now look, Again, this isn't rocket scientist stuff. Buy stop to US 30s 2 hour. Buy stop to do ESPX and ES 2 hour. If I don't get some more, good morning, Ken. If I don't get some more yeses, and Larry's over there giving yeses, I'm gonna be pissed as fuck. What's up, John? Oh, 1,500. There's no way there's 1,500 people. How is there 1,352? What? There's no way there's 1,352 people watching. I wish. God, I could start making change in people's lives at that point. Got it. No. There's absolutely zero probability of 1,300 people watching. I was about to cut the feed. Let's see. Unless someone popped over, are there really? How do we know if there's really 1,300 people watching? Well, yeah, there's some extra ones from the other places, but there's literally 1,300 from YouTube. How do we know if there's really 1,300 people watching from YouTube? Anybody? I'm not a YouTube expert. Buy stop to the 2 hour blue line of US 30, SPX, and ES. It will go there or get super, super close. You have about 500 pips left on US 30 and YM. Easy. Now, someone would have to refer over. There's no way in hell that's organic. The most I've ever had watching at any one time is about 200-300. This is what it's saying right here, and I don't buy that worth of shit. It's saying there's 1,300 people, but I can click on it, and it'll tell me how many are on. Oh, maybe. Yeah. See how there's 1,352 on YouTube. Welcome. There's 1,300 people watching on YouTube. I think it's a glitch on YouTube, but if it's not, that'd be fucking awesome. If anybody has any symbols you want me to call out, please ask. I've been doing this for 3 years. There's 1,300 videos on my YouTube channel. Actually, there's 2,100 videos on my YouTube channel. That's what I show, says John. Yeah, well, here, let me give y'all a free, since if there is this many people here, we'll just help them all out. The system is flawless. Only way this is, God wants it to this, you're going to see, you can see clearly right here, US 30 to 120. So this is a 2 hour, this is the 1 hour I just called out, the 30-minute on Monday, and Sunday and Monday. I called it 45-minute, went there to the US 30. And now you can clearly see that the US 30 isn't there on the 2 hour and it isn't there on the FPX and ES. I do have several trades open. Oh shit, this keeps going up and up and up. Nice. These are my trades open that were just placed right before there because I was playing the empty. And there it is. And these are my prices and my stop losses are all take profit. These are the trades from the other day. NAS is from, I don't know, like a week ago. This is from 2 days ago. And this is from January. I have a gold trade open so I can buy. I'll be holding that probably for the whole year, actually. We trade 5 seconds, 1 second trades. You can clearly see there's some 5 second buy stops right here. I just drew one out just a minute ago and taught on it. Yeah, he's going to do it again. What you're going to see is this come down. Price actions that come down. The pink and the purple and the blue are cross right here. You'll see this turn back. You'll see price action go up above. There it goes. You'll see it go up above the orange. And then eventually it'll go up above what our dip. And that is on US 30. Let's see if we can find some more here. SPX. We trade all these symbols as one. Yep, it's a row right to here. Then let's see CPS one.
I found 207. He's worth seeing here. I'll look later. Go over to NQ. Trade all symbols is one, so you just pick any one of these if you like NQs. If you like your AIM minis, it works on everything. So these are called 5-second buy stops. You can see the BS is coming up. Buy stops coming up. Buy stop is a pending order. It's going to the 2-hour blue line of US 30 and the 2-hour blue line of SPX. Matter of fact, let's go over here. Go over here and let's go to first. Yeah, there we go. Let me go ahead and make this. What did you say it was, Crash? You said the 75-minute, right? No, 90-minute. I think he went 90-minute. No, custom. Let's do. Let's make that favorite. Oh. All right. There we go. Now you guys can see. Now here it is. This is what you guys can see. Everyone's joining in a nutshell. So easy to notice. Watch this. I'm going to put everything equal so you can see something. And yes, the system displayed NFP, and yes, the system displayed the thing. I wonder if we refer people over. I love it. Thank you for people over. This means we can actually help more people this morning. Right here, this happens to be ES1, SPX, NQ1, NAS 100, and US 30. Price, this blue line is unique to my system. It is magical and magnetic. Don't ask. It's called the bullseye blue line. Price action is above it on the 90-minute, above it on the SPX 90-minute, and ES 90-minute, above it on the NQ 90-minute, above it on the NAS. It's below it on the US 30. So what we do is we call a buy stop, which is a future pending order, to the blue line of US 30, the 90-minute. You can set up your take profits, and I can show you where those go. I'm just going to put them so you can hear them later on. Here we go. Then it's going to go up, whether it's today, whether it's going to be. It's already moved up a lot. Let's be clear. We caught every bit possible on this trade right here, and it's gone up about over 300 pips so far. So that's freaking awesome. SPX 500. Let's go. SPX. Yep. You're in profit. That I just called out. That's why you're in. I hope you all can hear that. And that is NAS crossing. And that is also ES1 crossing. These are those 5-second buy stops. What we'll do is go past the orange EMA right there. And it I'm going to return back. In profit on ES1. In profit on SPX1. In profit on NQ1. Told you. Told you. Told you. Told you. All these are going up. Told you where they're going to. If I can open this otherwise, they're up to about 15 grand now. Thank you, God. There you go. If you want to get the system or look more about it, just head over to safetytrade.com. And you can click on here, or you can sign up for the email service over here too. You get my alerts when I make the calls. You can click on here and kind of skim through this whenever you want to. Learn all about it. Okay. Does anybody have any symbols they want me to call out? I've been calling out correctly all these US 30, YM, NAS, NQ, SPX 500, ES, what it's in the game all morning, including gold, by the way. We haven't missed a gold call in over 3 years. We haven't missed any calls in 3 years, but gold's so easy. XRP, Bitcoin's a permanent buy. Bitcoin, let me go over here. Sorry. We just have different layouts of different uses. This is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a daily, weekly buy stop. Bitcoin was called out at every trade I ever called or tracked. Every trade I've ever called out since
November of last year, and pretty much on US on YouTube has been tracked. So every call out is there. You can clearly see when I call something out what it is or isn't. And in this case, I called back here. I think this was a 4.8. Yeah. I called for Bitcoin to go to 83,000. It did. 85,000. It did. 1,000. It did. 95,000. It did. Bitcoin will go to 100, 105, 110, 115, and 120. And if you notice, I don't say maybe or could be. It's going there. It already went to the 95. It's already gone. To the 97. It's going to 100 and 105. And that's Bitcoin. Same thing for XRP. XRP a little more. We're going to have to hit its support blue line yet on weekly. It will. XRP will be going to $2.47. Then it will be going to about $3, $3.20, $3.60, and $4 net XRP. I can call it any symbol that you want. Double top around here. 105 million now. Smash the button, everybody. My calls an interview this morning, 100% accurate. Thank you, John Parker. Does anyone here believe there's actually 1,600 people watching? Well, Kevin comes, makes these calls, makes accurate calls every morning. Almost 100%, not 100%. The system. It's only level 5 by the system. Thank you, Ken, for speaking up. But there really is DBBJPY. I'll look at that for you, Brian. Yeah, you're catching the crowds, baby. Nice, thanks, John. Ryan Marcus wants to look at GDP-JPY. Let's look at GDP-JPY. All right, let's take a look at GDP-JPY. How many simply like as long as we can track. GDP-JPY, the biggest currency pair trading for worth a $7.2 trillion day business. I've been trading over for 10 years, lost my app the first 2 years. The broke clock. Wait, walking 1 second, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Like your buy stops in 10 second blue line, you will see it go up over here. That's the 5 second buy stop. It's really hard to make money on Forex like that. You can do it on the time periods. 5 minute sell stop. Also, this will come right after that. You'll see this come down. Pop. Let's go up here. Here, I'm seeing the difference between the 3 minute, 5 minute. I want to see what's going higher. I'm looking for my buy stop right here. 45-minute buy stop. This is the play I would play. Less this question, Ryan. This was I'd be looking at take profit one right here on GBP-JPY.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
192.553. It's going to go. Let me go back. It just needed 10 seconds. It just needed 10 seconds. Blue wants to fall. I think it's possible. Yeah, right here. Blue. And guess what I call it? That was pretty good. Let's see. We want to go up to higher time. Let's see. Daily. Oh, this is gorgeous. Weekly, 3 weekly buy stop for GBP-JPY. This is the area in the time frames I love to trade. This is so easy. You can't make a mistake up here. It's so easy. Take profit 1 GBP-JPY. This is a long-term. Campbell, you hear this? Please write this one down. It's a weekly, 3 weekly buy. 193.746. Then it's going to go to 196.599. And then it's absolutely going to 199. We get 200. Just put down 200 on GBP-JPY. This is a gorgeous daily, weekly, and then a weekly, 3 weekly buy stop. That's perfect. You know, so much harder to go for it. Oh, it's a monthly. That's about all I'm giving you. Yeah, it's too mild. I like the higher time. It's 6 months, 12 months. I don't like that at all. Okay. Uber. Kirk Brown says 732 people. Now it says 142. Well, isn't that interesting? I said 9 minutes. Oh, yeah, it's at US 30, so we're 105 lines now. 600. So that was just like a temporary boost for people. Yeah. Well, isn't that weird? So how many years that was a bunch of bullshit? There really wasn't 1,600 people there. Do you think YouTube just screwed up for a minute? Now I can see 142. I've had as many as 180, 160. Hell, I've got a couple hundred before watching. US 30 crossing, 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 US 30. Don't be some baby. Where's US 30 crossing? Down. Oh, it's up. It's up. Go to the 30. Where's my money? Oh, yeah. Go US 30. Go. Oh, let's see. NAS looks pretty good too. Hell yeah. Gee, I told you, peeps. I told you. Might have been bots. Oh, I like that. Okay, bots. Damn, that many fucking bots? 1,700 bots? Now 40. I'm still showing 122 on YouTube. 140 total. You said 90 minutes. Wow, they have that many bots? That's crazy. Nice. This is fun. Oh. Do, 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 do. All right, peeps. Well, whatever number we have watching, 142. Trading. That really is a GBB. JPY is a GY. GJ is a very good trade, by the way. All right, Uber. Somebody wanted me. I think Kevin wanted me to look at Uber. We have quite a few Kevins on. Cute. Uber Technologies. Let's see what Uber's done. Oh, wrong one. Hold on. Let's go here and look at Uber Technologies. Oh, let's see what the sniper rifle says. Oh my, that doesn't look good for us. We don't have any entrances. It was a big buy back here. Too late. Too late. Yeah, it was a daily, weekly buy, weekly, 3 weekly buy. Close the gap. Yeah, you're too late. I'm not saying it's not going to go up. I'm just saying you can't have the trade. There's no point of even doing 30 minutes. Too late on Uber. Barry Joyce, thanks for the training. You're welcome, Barry. Hey, Kev, how can I join the community Discord? Already in the tier 3 signal Discord. Just send a nice word email to Bree asking to join the Discord, and then probably Basil will get a hold of you, and then Basil will get you into the Discord. Institutional wanted to know where I was going. You can certainly call and box. And institutional. I wanted to know where it was going. That's funny. Oh, we're back into our 65. That's funny. Whatever boosted that up is crazy, huh?
up, peeps? Just a few hours. Da, 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 dee, da. All right. Okay, cool. Thank you. Thanks for the name. You're welcome. You're welcome. And you're welcome. Yeah. Good morning, Mike Glowinski. What's up, Glow? Mike Glowinski. Yeah, Uber was a nice call. You're just a little late on it. That's all. Da, da, da. Bitcoin, plenty of time. XRP, you have tons of time to make your move on. Nike, you have tons of time to make your move on. Target, J&J's kind of already gone up a little bit. CVS has gone up a little bit already, but it's still going to keep going. I mean, you got years to make money on those. Glow, we were just kicking ass, Mike. We had such fun with let me take a look. I'm going to pop off one of these. Okay. One trade still open from the free NFP today. That NFP was fun. And then what are these other ones? And then NAS from 424, 430. So this is like 2 days ago, and this is like 6 days, 8 days ago, I think. Well, I don't know, 7 days ago. It's a runner. I just look open. Pop. This is gold. That's staying open. Pop. This is US 30 from 2 to go. Look at that shit. Pop. This is my one from just a few minutes ago. Pop, 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 pop. Yay. And there you go. Da, 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 da. I'm almost tempted to close down that one NAS. See that NAS again. Let me go over here. That's going to. That's that too. That's NAS. Weekly. Oh my god. I told you about that weekly. Now the NAS is going up here. NAS is going. How many pips is this one? Holy fuck. Third. Nope. Hold the NAS. Hold the NAS. Now I re-eat this daily though. Fuck me. Oh shit. I gotta lock in profit. Yeah, I can't eat that many pips. It'll pull me out of nothing. I think we're gonna skip. I think we're pulling out. I don't think we need this to daily. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna hit. I think we're gonna skip right over to the weekly. It does that sometimes. I think we're on a weekly buy. Oh my god, we're on a 3 weekly buy. Where's this one? Sorry, let's try to calculate up how much money we pull out of this thing. Yeah, 600 easy. Oh my god, 1900. We see US 30. Okay, I think US 30 would be a little bit more actually. Wow, that's good. Yeah, same thing. Oh, there. Oh, 1400. Shit, fuck. Let me see right here. Sorry, I'm doing some calculations on the trades. Not sure I want to risk some of this money. 2,500 more pips on US 30. 4,000. Oh my God. Can we just skip over the daily sell? Can we just skip over the 12-hour daily sell? Is there a way to skip over that? Oh man. Shit. I'm gonna have to re-enter the trades. There's no way it's gonna fucking tag me out. Fuck. Whatever. Good morning, Brian Claus. Good morning, Mike Walensky. Good morning, Kev. Good morning, Sushi. Good morning, Barry Deutsch. Good morning, Jan and Alex. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. We literally had 1,600 viewers here just a second ago. Old School Mick. Good morning, Henry. Old School Mick. Larry Cooper. Aussie Trader. Mr. C. Kim the Candle Lady. It's My Time. Michelle Glowinski. Kirkland Brown. History and Wildlife Girl. Shepherd. D-Man. Lazarus. Persistent. Rich OBX. User 4612. Annie Apple. Techman. Kenny J. Ryan Marcus. Sheba. Rasta Lives. Artuck. The Griffey. Ray. Alex. Andrew Fredo. Gio Baru on TikTok. Welcome to all of you. Good morning, Ray. Good morning, Barani. We just had so much fun playing NFP this morning. That was a blast. It actually moved great. It didn't dip. I wasn't able to get you guys much money, but I was able to get a little money. But it did go up really, really good. What time is it? Still early, isn't it? Yes, even 9:30 in the morning. Oh, I might take a look at that. Because my watch still no, but that's okay. All right, peeps, any questions over anything? I did a little training this morning. Looks like there might be a little reversal trying to do a sell over there. You notice the 1 second, the red's on the 1 second. Across the board, let's take a look. Three minutes to market open. 3 minutes to market open. Do not play market open.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Only demo trade. You got to get in and out of these trades quickly. I don't play around at all. I'm in and out quickly. Just wait for it. I'm calling buy stops, even though they're turning into 5. Okay, here's your short term. 5 second sells, all indices. I don't play sells. So all I'm going to call is a 30-minute buy stop and hold. Look at that shit. Jeez. So fucking pizza. I mean, technically, it really should go down if I can't call it. I can't play it. So sell stop to the 5 second blue lines. I'm only calling buy stops. Let's go to 30 seconds. That's the only number. 30 second buy stops. Yeah, that's all I'm calling. Just put some chains in. Buy stop. US 30. 30 second buy stop. 5 second sell stop. YM1. 30 second buy stop. 5 second sell stop. M1. I can't play the sell stops. NAS. 30 second buy stop. 5 second sell stop. I can't play the sell stops. So you guys are on your own. Buy stops only for me on these indices. NQ1. 5 second sell. 30 second buy. I can only play the buys. I'm only playing the buys.
can do the sells. SPX. 5-second sell. Buy stop. 1 minute left to market open. 1 minute left to market open. I'm probably going to hang out on ES1. It's in the game. I'm probably going to go between ES1 and US30. If we start hearing alerts go off on that over there. Buy stop only. Buy stops only. Here we go. Market open. Do not play market open.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Demo trade only. I'm not a financial advisor. Waiting for these to turn to red, but I'm not taking the trade. I want these to turn to red. If we can't get a pull down, I might re-enter some trades this morning. We'll see. Market open, market open. See, they usually take a lot of the flip spot of the market's open. Let's see. YM1. Not that I can see it. No, nothing. See, NFP, they use it. I'm going to sit here for a little bit. Oh, it's going up. You can take profit on that. Watch, see that. US 30s and take profit. You can take profit on US 30 if you want. You can close straight down there. Buy stop. 30 seconds. YM1, get a spot over. You have to be very quick, but you can get out. In profit on US 30. In profit on US 30 and NAS. In profit on US 30 and NAS. In profit on US 30. If I can do this, you can do this. Take over here and buy the system. Take trade.com. Buy it over here. Oh, in profit on all in profit on every one of them. In profit. Close down trade, take your money and run, take your money and run, take your money and run, take your money and run. Take all profit on everything, profit on everything. Take your profit, 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 take your profit. Oh my, I just closed out like 15 trades. Literally 15 trades. Wow. I'm gonna close down one more. Look at that money from earlier today, from current right now. Woo! Baby. I love me these buys. Nice. All right. Peeps, well, that was fun. Oh my goodness, that was fun. Let me see that again. Is that US 30 I still have open? Yes. Where's my, I got a lock profit on that. I don't know if I'm going to leave that one open. I think I'm going to close it. I'm going to close this one. I'm going to leave this one open. Let me see. My buy right here. Yeah. From 5-2. Yep. Leave that open. Yep. We're running. All in, take profit. Now, let's leave you guys some parting thoughts. Easy visual thoughts. Here you go. Damn. 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 I hit that. NAS 100 busting up. Look at it go. Revolution with the sun. Buy your system. Get 90-minute buy stop. Buy the system. Listen to the money talk. Buy the system. Take it. Buy it over here. Buy the system. Now let's go back to where. Or I'm telling you now. Oh, this is so much fun. Wow, I hope you get some demo money this morning. Thank you, John. It was a great day. Ka-ching. Thank you, Techman. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Gary, you're doing great in the Discord. I love that you're making that kind of money, Gary. So happy for you, sir. Good morning, Eric. Can't remember the last time you saw a daily sell get skipped. I'd like to investigate for clues. Yes, they get skipped. Certain time frames, you see they're all red. They're actually a setup for a higher buy, so it can be skipped. The last time there was a daily skip on a sell, I don't know, because we never had daily sells on there that I've seen the last 3 years on the indices. So can it skip? Yes, they can be skipped. On that high of a time frame, though, I've never seen it be skipped. So we're probably in for world what's going to happen. But nonetheless, this is what I'm going to leave you guys with. Little 5K to add on from this morning's calls. Nice, John. That's a big amount. 5K is a shit ton. Thank you, Gary. God bless you too. God bless everybody. Listen, I should have said prayer on those people here. All right, so we're in this buy. It's going up to the 90-minute line. All right, so it's right up now. We're right on. You guys can clearly see that you do not need the sniper, although it does help. Watch. Oh, come on. What now? You one click going up. Oh. These free trade. SPX. NAS. US 30. And ES1. It's in the can. NQ1. It's not a name. YM1 easy. We're going to go with demo buy stops to 90-minute US 30 and no, that's it, US 30. So fine. Love this trade. Okay. Then it's going to be look for overnight reversal, i.e. sell stops to whatever. I'll just say 5-minute lines. That'll be like Sunday-ish. Later today, Sunday-ish. I never do a sell. And then look for it's actually technically now a daily sell stop. If engages, it will crush tropes. I'm telling you, but the best is weekly buy stops, which is record highs. Junction, bring me on board for this one. Weekly, I spell right. I can spell half these words right. We're still there. Buy stops. It's going to take you have to have patience on that. All right. Now, considering we're in shit tons of money, I think everybody's happy. Everybody happy out there? Sevens if you're happy. Yeses if you're happy. Thank God's if you're happy. Come on now. Everybody happy with this whole entire week? Can it get any better? Can it get any better? That is the question. How can it get any better? God bless your system. Thank you. Thank you, Alex. Crash. Techman, Henry, Alex, crash.
You're welcome, Crash. All right, TikTokers, you guys were great on TikTok this morning. I almost pulled the plug on YouTube a couple times. All right. I will be on, not later today, probably, but I should be on like over the weekend. You'll be surprised. Probably a couple times each day on the weekend. You guys have a blessed weekend. God bless you all. Let's say a quick little prayer. May Father, Son, Holy Spirit, amen. God, please bless us this weekend. All our loved ones, especially our loved ones, with health and happiness. Let them do really, really good. All the people we know and do not know also. Please look after my listeners, everyone I hear the voice right now. Let them have their hearts open, ears open, so they can learn the system, so they can make consistent profits with it. And thank you for everything in our lives. Let's have a great weekend, fun weekend. Let's do your will. We're on earth. Please forgive us for all of our sins, past, present, future, and take us to heaven in spite of those. In Jesus Christ's name, amen. All right. Gotta go, TikTokers. God bless. Talk to y'all later. Thank you all for being here. TikTok was great. Usually I'm pissed off as fuck at TikTok. Amen. Thank you, John. I call him Coach. Thank you, Crystal Armis. Thank you, Alex, Arjus, Luna. All right, God bless everybody. Talk to y'all later. Well, now that was a fun one. That was